You don't even have your shoes on. Come on. I mean, why you can't just get in the car and take the shoes off?
Here's the house, the outside of the house. And here's the garage entry. And it is like a double garage and there's lots of room for storage, but it's just one entry. And the driveway's kind of on a hill again, but not really bad. It's got a cute little yard.